What's up, guys? Just a quick announcement here. I have just released my free practical web dev roadmap that will give you a step-by-step guide on how exactly what to learn to become a web developer as fast as possible and what not to do to avoid going around in circles in years and years. So people always say this when they make stuff, but I really mean it. This is the guide that I wish I had, the timeline that I wish I had when I first started learning web development so that I didn't get stuck. Because, guys, when I first learned this stuff as a newbie, I literally ran in circles for 2 or 3 years before I did anything with these skills. That is the truth, okay? I was exactly where you are now. I've wasted so much time with this stuff until I finally got my stuff together and just started building stuff with the correct skills, okay? So this is completely free. You do all you need to do is sign up with your email, and I will send this directly to you in your inbox. Check your spam folder, because since this is a new email list and everything like that, Gmail or whatever you're using is probably not going to trust an email that you get from me yet, because I'm not that established in the email world. So check your spam folder. It's almost certainly going to go to your spam folder. You'll get a confirmation saying, hey, are you sure you want to sign up for this list? You'll say yes, and then you check your inbox. You'll get this delivered right to your inbox for free. On top of that, I'm going to do one monthly email with exclusive content that you will only get from the email. Will not be posted on YouTube or anywhere else. You'll get exclusive content, advice, stuff like that. All right. If you don't want that, that's fine. Just get the freebie here, get the free roadmap, and just opt out. Tell me you don't want my emails anymore. I'm not going to send you emails. I don't care. But get this, like, if you don't take my courses, if you don't do anything from me, at least read this roadmap, read this timeline, and follow it. Just at least take it. Please take it. This will help you immensely, okay? I promise you, if you follow what is on this map, in 6 months or less, you will be a profitable web developer with the opportunity to make more money than you ever thought possible in your life. All right, guys, check the link in the description for this, and also I have a pinned comment. From now on, all my videos are going to have this offering, so if you're seeing this video and then you remember and you're on another video in the future, check the description, check the comments, get the free roadmap. It's worth it. Spend a lot of time on it. It's almost like a mini ebook. I want it to be like one page. It's like 4 or 5 pages of just great advice. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video.